Hey, what's up guys? This is Chuan here, and today I'm in Dubrovnik, Croatia. I'll be here for a couple weeks. As a US citizen, it was pretty straightforward to enter Croatia during the pandemic. All I had to do was to fill out an online form with my accommodation details, and at border control, I presented my passport, the printed out online form, and my vaccination card. Alright, so today I'm going to show you guys my $25 per night Airbnb. Let's go! My Airbnb in Dubrovnik is located about 2 kilometers from the historic Old Town, which takes about 15 minutes for me to reach by foot. I like the location because it is not located in the Old Town, which can be very touristy, but is more in a local residential area. Now, as you can see here, there is a steep staircase leading to my Airbnb. I like this for 2 reasons. First, I get my daily dose of exercise by walking up. Second, once you reach the top, you have a really good view. My Airbnb is a small unit in a multiplex building, and this is the main entrance. In front of the apartment door, there is a small table with a couple chairs to relax and have a sunset drink. Now, as you look up, there is a clothesline for drying your laundry. Okay, so this is the entrance to the apartment. Once we enter, we go straight to this kitchen here, which is fully stocked with plates, pans, pots, glasses, silverware, whatever you need for cooking. And what I like about this kitchen is that it has a sliding window here. So when I'm cooking, what I can do is I can slide the window open and you get a great view while you're cooking or cleaning. Now as we turn right into the apartment, we enter the living room area. So this area, it's not that big, but it does have a sofa and also has a TV over here, which I've unplugged it because I don't really watch TV. And over here it has a table, which I set up my computer on. Okay. It's a small living room, but it has enough space for me to do some Peloton workouts here. Okay, now let's go in. Alright, so we're coming up to the bathroom here on the right. So it's a nice little bathroom here. Has a sink, a enclosed shower here, and also has a washing machine. So this is one of these caged washing machine that I've only seen in Europe, which is pretty cool. Alright, so let's move on to the last room of the Airbnb apartment, which is the bedroom. Okay, so this is the bedroom here. It has a double bed. So it's actually 2 twin beds pushed together, and I find this to be very common here in Europe. It has a window here and has a pretty big closet to store all of my stuff. Okay, so this is my Airbnb in Dubrovnik, Croatia for $25 a night. Please comment below and let me know what you guys think about this Airbnb.